Welcome to Myclass, your class.
Today's video, Carnival Around the World. Hello everyone! Welcome back. Today, let's explore one of the most colorful and exciting celebrations in the world. Carnival. Are you ready? Let's go. Carnival is a big party that happens in many countries. It is full of music, dancing, and amazing costumes. People celebrate before Lent, a time when some people fast or give up certain foods. What about learning some new words about Carnival? Parade is a big group of people walking, dancing, or riding floats. Costumes are special clothes for a celebration. Mask is something you wear on your face. And float is a decorated vehicle in a parade. Did you know that different countries celebrate Carnival in different ways? Let's travel around the world. In Brazil, the biggest carnival is in Rio de Janeiro. People dance samba in the streets, wear colorful costumes, and huge parades fill the city. In Venice, Italy, people wear elegant masks and have beautiful masquerade balls. In Nice, France, there is a flower battle. People throw flowers instead of confetti. In Cologne, Germany, Carnival is called Carnival, and people wear funny costumes and shout, "Alaf!" People in Haiti celebrate with music, dance, and art, mixing African and French traditions. Did you know? The biggest carnival parade in the world is in Brazil. Over 2 million people celebrate on the streets of Rio. The word carnival comes from Latin and means farewell to meet. Carnival is a time for fun, music, and happiness. Which country's carnival do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye.